The only way you should be making scrambled eggs. First, grab some potential chickens and we're going to crack these into a pot. Make sure to take the shells out unless you like your scrambled eggs with a little. Add some butter and then you want to grab your mom's whipping of choice. In this case, you need to use a rubber spatula. Mix your eggs well, then you're going to place them on medium to high heat and scrape like so. None of that on the heat, off the heat, on the heat that Gordon Ramsay chats about. He has no clue. Just make sure you're scraping constantly, but not too fast because you still want the eggs to have a little bit of texture. Take them off the heat just before they're done because they're going to continue cooking. Season with salt, and this is...
Hello, welcome to day 5 of Around the World in 80 Eggs, and today we're making good old scrambled eggs. There are a gazillion methods to making the perfect scrambled eggs. Well, for me, I like to crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add a dash of milk, whisking everything well thoroughly, and then heating up a small frying pan on the smallest stove that you've got. Melt some butter and pour in the egg mixture. Now with the heat turned down low, you want to slowly scramble the eggs towards the center, a bit like this. You got to keep going for a couple of minutes. This is the most time-consuming part, but it's going to make sure that your eggs are nice and silky. I like to turn the heat off at this point because I know the residual heat will keep cooking it for a little longer, and then I can just go and toast some bread to serve. Easy peasy.
You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. You're not going to need to eat scrambled eggs like this anymore. From now on, this should be the only way you do scrambled eggs. Get hold of some good quality eggs, crack them into a bowl and beat them together. Add some cold butter into a cold pan, dip the eggs in. Now the key here is to do it on a low heat, keep stirring and take your time. We don't want to have any overcooked bits of egg. Now add your salt. Just look how good those look. Creamy, silky and cooked to perfection. If you want to stick with your dry, crumbly scrambled eggs, that's fine by me, but I think this is the best way to go.
These are Gordon Ramsay's scrambled eggs. Let's see if they're as good as people claim.
Let's go, pan on the stove.
Crack your eggs on a flat surface and immediately into your pan.
You never salt it first. We salt it now, it'll actually break down the egg and turn it watery.
Aggressively stir for 30 seconds. Remove it off the heat. Keep on whisking for another 30 seconds. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. A couple nubs of cold butter. And just keep on working this in to make Gordon proud. Gordon, this is taking forever. When it starts to come together like this, season it with a hefty pinch of salt. To stop the cooking process, fold in some creme fraiche. It seems like this is the consistency Gordon goes for. My guy, what are you eating? Applesauce?
A donut.
I'm gonna fold in chives to offset all the butter, and it's time to give this a try. And as always, now bismillah. Okay, I will say they are super creamy. There is plenty of flavor on those eggs, and honestly, that is a 9 out of 10 experience. Those are some phenomenal eggs. I would just cook them a little bit more. He doesn't need my approval, but these are pretty damn good.
Cooking Basics for Students, Part 1. Let me show you how to make basic scrambled eggs for a perfect breakfast to impress your friends on a hungover morning. You're gonna need some eggs. I do about 2 eggs per person, but these ones were really small, so I did 3. We're just gonna add some salt to the eggs and whisk them thoroughly. Now, the trick is to cook the eggs really slowly on low heat. This is gonna make the biggest difference between silky smooth eggs and dry and sad eggs. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of butter, and we're looking for a gentle melt. If it bubbles aggressively, turn the heat down. Add the eggs, and all we have to do is keep them moving and stir them occasionally according to how big you want your curds to be. Please resist the urge to turn the heat up and resist the urge to overcook them. When they're almost done, turn the heat off and let the residual heat complete the cooking process. Spoon the eggs over a slice of toast and maybe add some chives and some black pepper if you're a bad boy. And congratulations, you just made some pretty good scrambled eggs. Follow me for more student meals.